Hello everyone, my name is Aman Sahu and I am a student of Sagar Institute of Science and Technology. Today I am excited to present my project crop recommendation system using machine learning. This project wouldn't be possible without the teamwork of my fellow teammate. Let's meet to my team. We have two members in a team include me and my fellow teammate Sham Sahu that we all played a critical role in developing this crop recommendation system project. Let's start the introduction to my project. The crop recommendation system aims to assist farmers in identifying the most suitable crops for cultivation based on soil conditions, climatic factors, and historical agricultural data. By leveraging machine learning techniques, the system provides personalized and data-driven recommendations. The concept of this project is to implement the crop selection method so that this method helps in solving many agriculture and farmers' problems. Crop recommendation methodology is used to predict the suitable crop by sensing various parameters of soil such as pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and also parameter related to atmosphere such as rainfall, temperature. Here is the demonstration video.